Szia! Hi there, and welcome to your first Hungarian lesson. I'm Ákos, and I'm excited to help you get started with this amazing language. Today we are going to learn 10 essential Hungarian phrases that every beginner should know. These will help you to introduce yourself, have basic conversations, and navigate everyday situations. Before we start, I want to congratulate you for starting to learn Hungarian. It's not an easy language, but every step you take will bring you closer to mastering it. So, if you like, let's grab a notebook and let's get started. Szia! Szia! This means hi or bye in informal settings. You can use it with friends or people you know well. Jó napot! Jó napot! This is a polite, formal greeting. You can use it in professional settings or when meeting someone new. Köszönöm. Köszönöm. This means thank you. In more informal situations, you can even say köszi, which is like thanks. Elnézést. Elnézést. This means excuse me or sorry. Use it to politely get someone's attention or to apologize. Next, let's talk about how to introduce yourself and ask someone's name. Ákos vagyok. Ákos vagyok. This means I'm Ákos. Replace my name with yours to introduce yourself. És te? És te? This means and you? This is a great way to keep the conversation going. Now, let's practice phrases for simple conversations. Hogy vagy? Hogy vagy? This means how are you? Or hogy van? Hogy van? In a more formal way. You would use this if you want to show respect or in a formal situation. Jól vagyok. Jól vagyok. This means I'm well. Or you can also answer meg vagyok. Meg vagyok. Which means I'm okay if you are not too great or not too bad. Meg vagyok. Finally, let's learn a phrase that can be really useful if you are just starting out. Beszél angolul? Beszél angolul? Which means do you speak English? This can be a real lifesaver if you don't want to continue the conversation in Hungarian. Now let's repeat all the phrases once more. Szia! Jó napot! Elnézést! Köszönöm! Ákos vagyok. És te? Hogy vagy? Vagy hogy van? Jól vagyok, köszönöm. Meg vagyok. Beszél angolul? And there you have it. If you are still here, you've taken a big step towards learning Hungarian. I'm very proud of you. If you enjoyed this lesson, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hungarian tips and lessons. And now I want to hear from you. How long have you been learning Hungarian and why did you start? Please write your answer in the comments below. I read all of them. I would love to hear from you. Also, check out the link in the description to grab your copy of my free ebook, The 40 Most Used Hungarian Verbs, which will be a great way to keep building your skills. Köszönöm, hogy itt voltál, szia, és további szép napot!